Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel a subscription into your SnapEdit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to cancel the subscription, you just simply have to open the SnapEdit application at very first. Then after opening the application, just simply tap into these three bars or three dashes if you have any subscription. And now, as you can see here, where it says unlock SnapEdit Pro, it will show your premium subscription into there. You just simply have to tap into that option and it will lead you to the settings or browser. And after going into there, you will also get the option of cancel subscription. You just simply have to tap into that cancel subscription button and your subscription will get cancelled when you confirm. This way you can easily cancel subscription into SnapEdit. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.